Hi guys! So if you're a virtual assistant or a remote worker looking to create stunning portfolios to showcase your work samples and attract more clients, you should check out Gamma. Yeah, Gamma is an AI powered tool that helps you create beautiful and interactive portfolios in minutes. And the juicy part is that no design skills is required. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use Gamma to build professional portfolios that will wow potential clients. If today is your first time here, my name is Adebola. I'm an executive virtual assistant and a virtual assistant coach. Here on this channel, I teach tools, trends, and strategies that will help you build a sustainable virtual assistant career. So let's dive right into it. Hi, welcome back. Good to see you again. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be, learning how to create a stunning portfolio using Gamma AI. So first thing is to, search for Gamma AI on your Google and, you see this. Gamma Best AI Presentation Maker and Website Builder. Then you click on it. So when you click on it, you get to come to this page. So it brings you to this page. So this is basically how the dashboard looks like. Yeah, so you can just, explore while you are trying to practice. So you can import, maybe you have a file or like a document you want to, import. So you can, this is the import option. You can add new Gamma, but for the sake of today, like the sake of this class, we are going to be clicking on create new. So when you create, when you click on that, you come here, it brings you to this page. So you can see generate, you can see paste in text, you can see create from template, you can see import file or URL. So it's just, basically different options that you can use in creating your portfolio. So for this create from a one-line prompt in a few seconds. So this is what most people actually use, and that is why they are not getting their desired results, because they are leaving AI to do everything for them. But here, AI helps you, and you also, you and AI, you could collaborate so that you can get the desired results that you actually want. So this is what we are going to be using for today. Paste in text. So I have a prompt already. I have a prompt that we'll be using for today. Yeah, that's my prompt. So of course, we're creating a presentation, not a web page, not a document, and not social. So you'll be clicking on this. So here is my prompt. Here is the prompt that we're going to be using. So you can see create a professional and visually impressive virtual stamp portfolio for someone who has strong skills, has completed mock projects, and is ready to support clients remotely. The tone should be confident, clear. All of these things we actually gotten from Gamma itself. So we'll be having 6 slides. Can you see? We'll be having 6 slides. So let's see. The first slide is your introduction. Second slide is services you offer. The third slide is the tools you can work with. The fourth is sample work showcase. The fifth is why your client should work with you, and the sixth is ready to get started. That's like the call to action page. So yeah. So when you paste these prompts, you will click on generate. So you also have, different options Let's read through it. Generate from notes or an outline, turn rough idea bullet points or outline to beautiful content, summarize long text or documents preserve. So for the sake of this class as well, this tutorial, we're going to be clicking on generate from notes or an outline. Then we click on continue to prompt editor. So while waiting, yes, we're here. We're here. So you can still actually decide to adjust a lot of things from here. Generate, condense, preserve. Of course, we are going to generate. We're not going to condense. We'll generate. Then amount of text, minimal, concise, detailed, extensive. So it's okay for us to click on concise. Yeah, it's okay for us to click on concise. So write for busy founder, remote team leader. All of these things were actually generated from these prompts that I wrote here. So tone, confident, clear, friendly, professional, but approachable. So this is basically all for now before we click on generate. So let's just click on generate. So we are going to be having 6, I say 6 slides. So let's reduce this card to 6. 6, yeah. So let's click on generate. Okay, so it's generating for us. Yeah, that's slide 1, slide 2, slide 2. So yeah, still generating. We're on slide 4 presently. Slide 5. And this is slide 6, the last slide. The first thing we'll be doing right now, of course, you're not going to leave your you will not leave this image here like this, because this is not you, this is not Tolua Ladepo. So you get to edit and you right click. When you right click, you click on edit image. You can see here, click on this drop down. Yeah, then it might be a web image search, which is not actually, and it's not an asset image, it's not a stock photo, it's your own personal professional headshot. So you would have it on your system already. So just click on image upload. Yeah, you click to upload to take you to your personal document. Then we just so I would use any of my pictures. Let's use this. Okay, open. Yeah, so you can see it here. We've changed that. This image is uploading, so you will have to wait till the image uploads. Yeah, so I think we have that done already. Image uploaded. So you also would want to come to here. Hi, I'm Tolu Aladepo. I'm a skilled and reliable virtual assistant here to help you stay organized, save time, and grow your business. I support busy founders, remote teams, and business owner with admin, tech, and project tasks. So please remove this M dash. Sorry, what happened? So you click on here. Yeah, remove this M dash. You can put comma so you can focus tags. So you can focus on what matters. You might decide to change this. You might have something more concrete. If you're a customer support VA, please put it here. If you're an executive virtual assistant, put it here. If you are a medical, any of your niche, e-commerce virtual assistant, put it here and put what you are going to be, doing for them. Then you scroll down. We're done with that. You scroll down here to the next card, which is the how you can support. This is basically you putting yourself out there, what you can do
for your clients and all of that. So you might decide to edit. Maybe you don't like, here is how I can support. Maybe you have something else you want to put. You can edit and put. Yeah. Then you might want to add notes. Can you see it here? You can add notes here. You might decide that you want to change the card styling. Can you see background image, card color? See, just explore. Make sure you explore. Make sure you explore. I told you already that you will be the one to edit this, so you don't have to edit with AI. So you have to sit down with it and do it to your own taste. Yeah. So let's move on. I also want to show us something about how to change layout. Can you see? Decide to change layout. Can you see the suggested layout? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So just play around it. Play around it. You're not designing here. It's on Canva that you have to design and all of that. But for this, you just have to explore. And please edit all of these things to your own niche. You are a e-commerce VA, customer support VA. There are a lot of things that you would have to edit. It will not just be the same thing you get. So you have to sit and edit. So now moving on to the next card, which is your tech stack. That is the tools that you can use. You can see Google Workspace, CRM tool, project management tool, ChatGPT and AI tool. Mention the different tools that you can use. There are even some people that will customize it in a way that they will put the icon of all of the tools that they are using. You change all of those things from here. Can you see? Convert to edit with, okay. So just make sure you actually play around it. Play around it. Play around it. Anything that you feel you still need to add to it. See this plus icon. This plus icon will help you add item. Can you see? You see? So you'll be able to add or remove whatever option you want to remove. Add item. Can you see? So that's it. Let me go back here. So see my work in action. This is where you have to add, quite a number of things. Here are my samples. Here are examples of my past tasks, template, and practice projects that reflect the quality of support I offer. So you can have as much as possible, and definitely we'll still going through that route the same way we imported image. Let's add more images. Let's add so that we can just so now let's add image. We'll go through that same route. Image upload. Click to upload. Yeah, I think that would be somewhere here. Yes, these are like work samples. This is a Zapier workflow that I created. Yeah, so you can see it here now. It's still loading, so let's kind of, yeah. So that's that. And you can even add, you're still here. Wait. So let's add another image, upload image. I just hope I have another work sample that is not automation. Let me check my screenshots. Okay, most of these things are automations. Okay, I think this is a Trello board. Yeah, so that's a Trello board. Yeah, you can see. Make sure your screenshots are clear. Make sure they are very, very clear so that your clients will be able to actually view. So we're waiting for it to load. These are also options that you can explore. Can you see? Smart layout, images, basic block. You want to search, charts or graphs. Maybe you want to add charts and graphs, video, media. So these are things that you should play around. So you can put a like a description down here. You can put a description. You can decide to change the kind of text. So you can put image one is a screenshot of a workflow automation you did for XYZ company, and this is a project management clinic of so company, or between myself and so. You also had the descriptions. Then you will move to what sets you apart. These are also Yeah. So still the same way, you can decide to change the layout. And decide to change the layout. There are a lot of, in fact, you can just walk around this whole thing. Can you see? Can you see this layout? Staircase. If it's images, you have to be adding the images one after the other. One after the other. See? So just explore different layouts. Explore different layouts. So now let's work together. You can decide to add your picture here as well. Then send a message. You had your calendar. Maybe you have a Calendly link. You can put it, attach it to it. Let me see. You can attach it to it. You can attach it to it, your Instagram, your all of your social media platform link, LinkedIn, all of those things. You can attach it to it, your email. So that is basically that's basically how to create a portfolio in Gamma. And there's something else I did not mention. Team, see. So there are a lot of themes that you can play around. Can you see? Can you see? A lot of beautiful themes. I'm changing my theme to these velvet tights. Can you see? So beautiful. See now, we did not even do a lot of a lot of editing. See how this thing is looking already. See how much more if I now had all my work samples, add all of those things. So please and please make sure I will drop the prompts in the video description so that you can easily copy and use it wherever you are ready to create your portfolio. But above, you using the prompt is you sitting down to actually edit. It is very, very, very important that you sit to edit. It is very, very important. Yeah, so after you've taken your time to edit and, do a lot of formatting on your portfolio, now we want to share. So you come here, you click on share. You click on share. You see this, you see collaborate, share, export, all of those things. You also click on share. We are not collaborating. Anyone with the link. So you come here to give access. You can see that there is no access. So if you copy it, your clients may not be able to see it. So you click on view so that they can view only. So can you see permission or updated? Can you see? So you copy your link. Copy your link. Let's go to what's it called? A tab. Let's paste it on a tab. Okay, yeah. We're waiting for it to load. Yeah. Tada! Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So this is how it's going to show on on your client side. So see, we've not even really added a lot of work samples. We've not done thorough editing, and see how this portfolio is actually looking. It's looking so beautiful. It's looking so beautiful. So I encourage you to not just use the prompts, sit down with it and make sure you actually format to your own taste, that it will become your portfolio will become so irresistible for a client when they view it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comments. I'll be in the comments to answer all questions. And if there is any other video that you would want me to actually do a tutorial, there's a tool you want us to explore, you can also drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video.
And that's it. You now have a professional portfolio built with Gamma that you can share with potential clients right away. This is actually a game changer for virtual assistants, because I've gotten a lot of complaints about, oh, Adebola, I don't have design skills. I can't use Canva to even come up with a decent portfolio for myself. So say no more. Gamma is here for you. So if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that you can get updates as soon as we upload new videos. You can also drop your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.